Meaning of hitchhiker.
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 Hitchhiker. The term hitchhiker refers to a person who travels by asking for rides from passing vehicles, typically on roadsides or along highways. Hitchhiking can be a mode of transportation for those who do not have access to their own vehicle, cannot afford public transportation, or simply enjoy the adventure and freedom of travel. However, it can also be risky due to the potential danger of accepting rides from strangers. Hitchhiking has been a popular subject in literature, music, and film, often portraying the risks and rewards of this unconventional way of traveling.